Today I'm going to share 3 proven ways to help get your body into prime shape to conceive. Hi, it's Catherine here, fertility coach for the NFP program. Number 1, avoid social toxins like coffee and alcohol, as they rob you of key fertility nutrients and have both been shown to be detrimental for both male and female fertility. Number 2, exercise regularly and do a different combination of exercises. As well as having fertility boosting effects, exercise reduces stress hormones and boosts serotonin levels, which improves your mood and keeps you calm. Number 3, eat whole foods centered around good quality proteins and good quality fats, and make sure that you get at least 6 serves of veggies a day and 3 serves of fruit. If you found this video helpful, we take a much deeper dive into this topic in our How to Restore Your Fertility and Get Pregnant Naturally report. You can access the report by clicking on the link above or below this video. I'll see you soon.